May 12th, 2024. A glorious Mother's Day in Mississippi. Flowers, brunch, peace? Not for one woman who decided Walmart's handicap spots were just suggestions. Unfortunately for her, Karma showed up wearing a badge, carrying a body cam, and zero patience. What starts as "I'm just dropping off grandma" turns into handcuffs, screaming, and a full parking lot showdown. Let's break it down.
How'd you drop her off?
I just moved.
Yep. Okay. I need you to see your ID, please. I need your ID, please.
What did I do?
Because you're parking in a handicap and you're not allowed to park here.
Yes, ma'am, but I just said I was going to move my grandmother. She's handicapped. She's in the store.
Did she come out of this vehicle?
I dropped her off at the other end.
Did she come out of this vehicle?
I dropped her off
Did she come out of this vehicle?
Can
I get your ID, please?
Ma'am, this ain't Uber for the elderly. You can't just park in a reserved spot and yell "grandma" like it's a magic word.
It's handicapped. I dropped her off in the store.
How did she get up here with all this stuff in here?
I just moved.
Okay, I need your ID, please.
I haven't done anything.
You're you're violating handicap parking violation. Can I see your ID, please?
I haven't done anything.
You have, and I'm requesting your ID, and if I don't get it, I will arrest you. It's just simple. And then your children are not properly in their buckled in their seat.
You to unbuckle them. You just sit up here finding a reason to fuck with me.
She doesn't unbuckle them.
I unbuckled them. I was getting ready to get out the damn car.
And you just not parked. I came up right behind you as soon as you parked. You did not turn around and unbuckle them.
Yes, I did. You weren't in here.
And boom, the ID standoff begins. A classic. She's not just refusing to show it. She's performing a full dramatic monologue about oppression, babies in car seats, and her right to park wherever Big Grandma Energy tells her to.
I need you to get a supervisor because you sitting up here fucking with me for no motherfucking reason.
There's no need.
I need a supervisor because you mess with me for no reason, and I told you I would move. I told you I would move.
No, it's just not that.
Yeah, you mess with me for no reason. I got my kids in here. I do not feel safe with you doing these.
And you're escalating this. You're doing this.
Come on, man. Come on. Do what you gotta do.
Step out here, please. Step out of here.
You can get somebody else here.
Get out of the vehicle now before I make you get out of here. Do you want to do this in front of your children or not?
You said you answered my ID. I just gave you an ID, bro.
Aisle 4, Walmart aisle 4. Get out of the vehicle now or I will make you get out.
And suddenly, it's WWE, Walmart edition. She's flailing, she's yelling, she's clutching invisible pearls. We go from "I'm innocent" to "she murdered me" in 0.5 seconds flat.
Oh my God! Why are you grabbing me? Why are you grabbing me?
I have one resistance.
Why are you grabbing me, bro? Where are you going?
Get out of the fucking vehicle now.
Get out.
Get out now.
Hands on me. And if you
Get to the back of the vehicle now.
No, she just grabbed me.
Get to the back of the
She
vehicle.
just grabbed me.
Because you're refusing to obey a lawful command.
Here comes the Oscar performance. Ma'am, she didn't murder you. She barely moved your arm. You're not in an episode of CSI Walmart. Meanwhile, her kids are in the car like, "Mom, we just wanted nuggets."
Negatives, grocery sign. Get out. Ma'am, she's
Stop resisting.
Give me this. Give me your arm.
She twisted my arm.
Listen to her.
Can I get
That
another
sergeant is
officer?
on the way.
Can I get another officer?
I have 2 officers on the way. Give me your arm.
She twisted my arm. Y'all help me, please. She please me. Please help me.
I said officers are on the way.
Please help me. I don't feel safe with her.
Okay,
She
get back.
grabbed me out my car.
Get back.
She grabbed me out my car. She grabbed me out my car. Yeah, she got my car. She grabbed me out my car.
Come on, get up.
My kids is in my car.
Come on, get up. What are you custody?
Now you want sympathy after 6 minutes of resisting, yelling, accusing, and refusing to follow simple instructions.
Sergeant's here now, ma'am. You can talk to him. Roll over here.
Move on your side, man. Move on your side.
This side.
Officer here, she don't need you. You help her, bro. You can help her, bro. She wants you to help her. Up for me, please. Breathe. Breathe. Are you okay?
Grabbed me out my car.
Okay. Are you
And
all
she
right?
stepped on me.
Breathe.
And she just grabbed my car.
Listen to me.
I told her I was gonna move. I told her I was sorry, and I said I was gonna move. My grandmama was.
Okay. You all right?
Stepped on me.
Okay. Can I help you stand up?
I didn't do nothing wrong.
Okay. Can I help you stand
I
up?
gave her
Okay.
my ID, and she still pulled me out the car.
All right. We'll get that straightened out, but I need to help you stand up. What I want you to do.
I can't stand up.
Listen.
Please get her away from me.
Take a break.
Please get her away from me.
Put this foot behind your knee and get on this knee so I can help you stand up, okay? There you go. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. There you go. Okay.
Enter Sergeant Dober, calm and collected like he's walked into this Walmart rodeo 100 times. The crowd claps. The sergeant saves the day, and all she had to do was park legally. So next time you think about slipping into a handicap spot without a permit, remember, somewhere, somehow, Karma is wearing Oakleys and a body cam, and she doesn't play. Don't forget to subscribe.
That's 11 Mississippi, yeah. Eight 802-944-0838. Councilman Buffer.